yo, it's Code Indie back, dropping the back end flow, talking about put and patch. What's the diff, bro? You wanna update that? I better learn the game, cause one's all or nothing, that ain't the same. Put replaces everything, the whole damn deal. New body in, old record gets peeled. Even if you change just a single name, you still send it all. That's the put game. Forget one field, it's out of the scene. Put don't merge, it wipes it clean. Patch is the ninja, sneaky and smart. Updates just a part, not tearing it apart. You keep what's there, change what you need. Patch is precise, a surgical breed. It's lighter, faster, doesn't overwrite. When small changes drop, patch is right. Put it down, full overwrite. Patch it up, change what's right. Pick the tool, code, polite. Rest in peace when the verbs are tight. So next time the server gotta hear your request, choose put or patch, but do it with finesse. It's Code Indie teaching APs and rhymes. Stay restful, stay real, one bar at a time.